Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 12th, and this is my analysis of the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So I'm still looking at this monthly chart as an uptrend. I still think it's more likely to keep on trending up on the monthly, eventually going up and taking out these highs, eventually ending up all the way up at one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels. I actually think based on correlated pairs that it probably is a wave C, and eventually it's going to end up turning back down in a big way. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this looks to me like a wave 1. It looks like 3 ways down, wave A, 3 ways up, wave B, 5 ways down, wave C. I think it's a running flat wave 2. Higher high wave B, higher high wave C definitely fits the characteristics of a running flat. If that's the case, then this right here is a 1, this right here is a 2, and this is possibly just going to keep on going up on these higher time frames to make a wave 3. So taking a look at it on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it looks like this first trend up is a 1. This looks like an A, B, C, D, E correction, probably like a wave 2. If this really is a wave 3, then this move down is actually just a subdivision of that wave 3. And on the higher time frames, like the daily time frame and up, it will just continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So taking it right down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. I think there's a very good likelihood that today's CPI news for the US dollar, which is a big event, it's definitely going to affect all the dollar pairs in a big way. I think it's more likely that it is going to cause this to go up. It definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it may act like a wave 5, meaning that it may actually turn back down shortly after it takes out the highs, make another move like that before it actually does end up continuing back up. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame was looking at our Fibonacci levels. If this looks like anything like this before the news comes out, then I may even end up entering before the news because it looks pretty clear that this is a correction and that the news is going to cause it to go up. Like I said, you have to be a little bit careful because if it acts like a wave 5, it may just go up, take out these highs, and then start drifting back down. If this really is a wave 5 on the much longer time frames, like I was showing on the daily, weekly, and monthly, then it may just go up, take out the high, drift back down, and then make another higher low, and just keep on drifting up over the next few trading days. Not only do we have CPI news today for the US dollar, but next Wednesday on March 20th, we have interest rate for the US dollar. So it's definitely going to be a pretty big week or two for the US dollar in the coming 2 weeks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.